Hi everybody, it's James here again from Subby Hub. Hope you're all keeping well. So I want to talk to you today about insurances. It's a big partner, big thing we cover at Subby Hub. We'll try and get, really to the point with this one. Again, I think it's definitely a money saving exercise, but also time. I think all of us are guilty for spending hours on end that comparisons like that search engine, and we really just want to get what you need when you need it and get to that point. So we partnered up with Trade Direct Insurance. I mean, the name says it all, right? They get us, they understand what you're looking for. We've gone for 3 key products: as public liability, toolbox insurance, and they'll even look at van insurance as well. So a big one for us, right? We're getting ahead with our members. We get their information so we can get these kind of things organized and sorted for you. You just got to click the button. That's the quote I want. Yeah, done. And it's all organized for you. So come and join us at Subby Hub. Loads of benefits, great savings and time savings. So come and join us. We look forward to seeing you with us.